Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, wireless WAN module if installed, and display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the two screw covers from the bottom corners of the display bezel. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display cover to the display panel assembly. Turn the display panel assembly over. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel. Carefully release the retention clips that secure the display cover to the display panel assembly. Lift and remove the display cover. Replacement. Place the display cover into position on the display panel assembly. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display cover until it snaps onto the display panel assembly. Turn the display panel assembly over. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display cover to the display panel assembly. Replace the two screw covers into the bottom corners of the display bezel.